Welcome. In this session, we'll uncover the real dangers of poor cybersecurity and show you how to protect your digital world from threats. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information. Cybersecurity also involves protecting devices and services from theft or damage. It's crucial for individuals and organizations to minimize the risk of cyber attacks. Understanding cybersecurity is the first step towards protecting your digital assets. To grasp cybersecurity, familiarize yourself with key terms. Security refers to measures taken to protect data. Identity is about verifying who you are. Confidentiality ensures information is accessible only to those authorized. Integrity is about maintaining data accuracy, and availability means ensuring data is accessible when needed. Why is cybersecurity crucial in today's world? With increasing data breaches, the cost of cyber attacks is skyrocketing. Sophisticated hackers and accessible hacking tools pose significant threats. Cybersecurity helps protect sensitive data, like personal and health information. Compliance with regulations like GDPR is also vital for businesses. Cyber attacks come in various forms, each with its own method of infiltration. Common attacks include phishing, malware, and denial-of-service attacks. Man-in-the-middle attacks intercept communications. SQL injection targets databases, while DNS tunneling exploits DNS queries. Understanding these attacks helps in developing better defense mechanisms. Malware is malicious software designed to harm or exploit any programmable device. Viruses, worms, and bots are common examples. Trojan horses disguise themselves as legitimate software. Ransomware encrypts data, demanding payment for access. Adware and spyware track user behavior, often for malicious purposes. Hackers are individuals who exploit weaknesses in systems for various reasons. Some hack for financial gain, others for political motives. Understanding their mindset helps in anticipating potential threats. Hackers may target personal data, intellectual property, or disrupt services. Knowing their tactics aids in strengthening defenses. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, sets standards for data protection. It requires consent for data processing and mandates data breach notifications. GDPR ensures safe data transfer across borders. Companies must appoint data protection officers to oversee compliance. Understanding GDPR is crucial for safeguarding personal data. GDPR is built on 7 key principles. These include lawfulness, fairness, and transparency. Purpose limitation and data minimization are also vital. Accuracy and storage limitation ensure data integrity. Security and accountability are essential for compliance. Developing a robust cybersecurity strategy is essential. It involves protecting systems against unauthorized access and data breaches. Regular risk assessments help identify vulnerabilities. Continuous monitoring and real-time assessments are crucial. Proactive measures ensure better defense against evolving threats. Correct. Keeping up with cybersecurity trends is vital. Use government and news sites for updates. Technology sites like Wired offer in-depth analysis. Security companies provide insights into emerging threats. Staying informed helps in adapting to new challenges. Several laws govern cybersecurity practices. The Communications Act regulates telecommunications and broadcasting. The Protection from Harassment Act addresses online harassment issues. These laws aim to protect individuals and organizations. Understanding legal frameworks ensures compliance and protection. Cybersecurity laws evolve to address new challenges. Cybersecurity consists of various elements working together. Application and network security are fundamental. Information security protects data integrity. Disaster recovery ensures business continuity. End-user education is crucial for effective security. Improving cybersecurity involves several steps. Support and train your cybersecurity staff. Conduct regular risk assessments and policy reviews. Prioritize security in all operations. Continuous improvement ensures robust defenses against threats. The cybersecurity landscape constantly evolves. New threats emerge as technology advances. IoT devices present new vulnerabilities. The explosion of data increases risks. Addressing these challenges requires ongoing vigilance and adaptation. IoT devices are increasingly targeted by hackers. They offer access points for cyber attacks. Protecting these devices is crucial for security. Implementing strong authentication measures helps. Regular updates and monitoring are essential. Protecting data is a top priority. Encryption and access controls are vital. Regular backups prevent data loss. Employee training reduces human error risks. Implementing comprehensive data protection strategies is essential. Cybersecurity will continue to evolve. New technologies bring both opportunities and risks. Artificial intelligence may enhance security measures. Collaboration between sectors is crucial. Staying ahead of threats requires constant innovation. In conclusion, cybersecurity is an essential part of our digital lives. By understanding and actively addressing cyber threats, we can safeguard our personal and professional information, stay informed, stay vigilant, and take proactive steps to protect your digital world. For any inquiries, please contact us on WhatsApp at 07484 361 688. We appreciate your attention and look forward to the next session.